Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Trust Full HD webcam with a model name Macul. Actually, this is an 8 megapixel webcam with a built-in microphone and a full HD resolution that comes in an aggressive pricing, and it is ideal for both a desktop and a laptop computer. But enough with this, let's open the box. Now, first thing you can see is the webcam and nothing else in the box. Okay, so there is also a manual or a warranty here. Okay, this actually comes with various languages, and the other one must be the manual. This is important to show you how to connect the webcam, and actually I can see this is also a Skype capable webcam. This is a nice feature. And here we have the webcam itself. The USB cable seems fairly long, which I find really great, and there's also a textured feel on it. And actually one can see the webcam, it comes with a microphone grill on both sides, and on the center one can see the glossy plastic main body with the webcam sensor and the LED indicator. Actually, the build quality seems to me not great, but okay, adequate. And this is also the clamping mechanism that can fasten your webcam on your monitor. It's not the greatest I've seen, but I guess it gets the job done. And once again, the cable seems to me fairly long. There will be no issue connecting it to your PC tower. Yeah, actually it seems to me fairly long. It has some kind of texture in it, like a fiber, but still plastic. Overall, I think this is a really nice bargain for anyone who wants a Full HD Skype webcam. This was the unboxing of the Macul Full HD webcam from Trust for M.A.D. Thank you for watching.